Hello, welcome back guys to Spotaria channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to change Gemini voice in Google Gemini on iPhone. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support the channel. And so now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, firstly, just go ahead to this Google Gemini application. I'm going to tap on it. And after, if you want to change it for the voice in this Gemini, you just have to simply tap on this profile at the top right in the corner. After, scroll it down again, we'll find out here the settings option. Just go ahead and tap on it. Now in this page, you will see here the Gemini voices option. Just tap on it and open it like this. After, this is the options guys. You just have to slide it to the right like this to choose the voice that you want to use in this Gemini.
Feel free to keep exploring until you find your perfect match.
And after, if you have used the voice, you just have to tap on this select option at the top right. I'm gonna tap on it. After, if you ask a Gemini, it will answering you with this voice, the voice that you have choose before you guys.
I'm excited.
So yeah, I think it's enough from me. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.